Okay, now the goal now right here now is we're going to put in, let's say 10 here, hit search, and this will iterate 10 times. So let's finish that. So let's go back now to the controller, which controls everything, hence the name controller. Okay, so that text button is called txt search. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to say here, get text, here, get I'm looking for the get text in this. Oh, you know, I just realized I don't see the text box here. Okay, I just realized while creating this video, you see what data type this is? This is an anchor pane. By mistake, I gave the anchor pane this ID, which is not good. This shouldn't be called that. So you know what? Let's save this. You have to find where your file is here. I'll go here to say open in Scene Builder, or I can say here show in System Explorer. I'm going to open this up in Scene Builder. And I made a slight mistake. I gave the anchor pane the value of text search, which isn't good. So I'm going to take Control X, get rid of that name there. I'll save it. Click on this text box now, and that should have the name of text search. Let's save it. This made two changes. I'm going to go here to show sample controller here, and I'm looking for that text box right here. I want this right here. I'm going to close that, close this also, and I'm going to copy this over the anchor pane here, delete this because that name doesn't apply to the anchor pane anymore. This is complaining because I need to import it. So let's import it. Make sure when you import it, I'll expand this. You're importing the FXML version. So you notice that this is this line right here. This is complaining now because we don't have the anchor pane here anymore. So it's saying, hey, this is a warning, you never use this. So I can do Control-Shift-O, which will clean that up, or I could have deleted it one line at a time, one at a time, but just highlighting and deleting it. Okay, now I'll say here string s count, and I'll say here txt search get text. Now it'll get the text here, but if you remember that my DAO is expecting a number. So in fact, let me do Control X and put this here on top of the DAO before I do a find all. And we're going to say here integer count is equal to integer period parse int, and do that. And again, the reason we're doing this is because when this text comes out of the text box, it's a string data type. This is expecting a number data type. So what we do is we use the integer class that has a method called parseInt, and it will place that value into here. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to place that count into here. Okay, so let's save it. And that's looking okay so far. Let's save it. And in fact, that should be it. Let's run this application. Okay, this is complaining. I think what's happening here is sometimes I notice this in XML. When things change, you have to open this up, open this FXML file because you made the change outside of Eclipse. I'll do Control-Shift-F just to see if I see my changes. we had that text box. Where's that text box? Should be somewhere. There it goes right here. It's there. And now that the change is here, Eclipse should have caught up to it. So I'm hoping now when we go back here and we run this, we get a better result. There it goes. Nice. So I'll type in here 4 just to see if it works. Click on search. Nice, because it goes from 1 to 3, excluding the 4. Okay. Let's do 20. 1 to 19, because it excludes the 20. So this is pretty cool. So we took advantage of this text box. We have this data access layer that controls our data, and we also coded against the search event. I mean, this button, which is the on click if you think of it in HTML, but for us it's on action. Okay. Okay, I think that's it for now. In the next set of videos, eventually we'll connect to a database and get this data to come from SQL or MongoDB or something like that. Okay, with that, good luck and good coding.